All right, guys, as we continue on with the Doogee tablet run, this is the R10 rugged PC tablet. This has a 10,000 milliamp hour battery inside. As you can see, 128 gig base storage on nearly all these tablets, but you do get an SD card, and most of them are LTE, 4G LTE. So this is kind of the higher end version of their tablets right now because, let me read some of these specs to you. It does have high-res audio like some of the others, but this one has a 2K display. And it also has the MediaTek Helio G99, which we know that processor is a 6 nanometer processor. And we also know that it's a processor that's in a lot of devices. Now, right out the rip, let me get this off here. All right, right out the rip here, this is definitely a rugged tablet, and in a good way. This is, man, this is really nice. It comes in two colors, like a black and then like a silver colorway, but this is it right here. This is a rugged tablet for sure. Nice and beefy, and I actually like the way this one feels in comparison to some of the other ones. But you see all the ports and everything are covered here. So if you look here, you got your Type-C port covered, and then you have your SD card slot and SIM tray right there. Let me pull this out for you too, just to show you here. I believe this one is LTE as well. There you go. So this has a SIM card as well. I like that they're doing, and on a rugged tablet, you know, I would think, yeah, it should have a phone call capabilities. That would be really nice. And then on the top here, as you can see, you have a headphone jack that is covered. And so this tablet with the speakers on all sides, this one is for sure going to be a major win. So Samsung 16 megapixel camera on the front. Again, this is one of their higher end versions of the tablet, and a 20 megapixel on the back. Single camera, but it is a Sony main shooter for the main camera. So Android 13, obviously, and it has up to 2 terabyte storage capabilities, unlike the other ones. Let's see here. If I can get this off. Hold on. All these tablets come with screen protectors, and it's so hot, it adheres to it and it pulls it up every time I take it off, but you can still get it back down. Those bubbles will disappear over time. So let me go ahead and sign into the network real briefly here. All right, so all signed in. These are stock Android tablets, by the way, too, folks. And as you can see here, makes phone calls. This is definitely going to be one that I think a person could get a lot of use out of. With it having a 2K display, let me go ahead and go to a YouTube video here, and then we'll jump into, let me see if I can find myself here. I want to check this display out. Yeah, I want to check this display out and really see if it's really, really good. All right, let's see if I can get myself here. All right, okay, got a little crash there. Is it updating or what? Uh-oh. Not good, not good. Oh, I don't know what's going on. It can't be getting, it's trying to do updates, I guess, I don't know. I really want to, okay, I guess it was trying to do updates. It didn't want me to get in there. I was about to say, man. These speakers are, wow. I gotta tell you, these speakers are much louder than the ones on the other Doogee tablet. They weren't even all the way up. They weren't even all the way up. Wow. Let me show you what's it has like these quad speakers on it here.
Check it out.
Whoa.
There it is.
Really nice.
Beautiful.
Okay, come on, go into full screen.
All right, guys, so here it is.
A little bit of
2023
jankiness on this one.
Now, a little bit of backstory on this car.
Oh, that is not a good look.
My
good speakers, but we're having some troubles here at the beginning. But man, I gotta tell you, speakers are good. Maybe once it settles down and stops trying to update everything, it'll be better. But let me open the camera app on this one, because I checked the camera app on the other ones, and it was just a basic camera app with not very high limits to record video. But let's see if this one, having a Sony camera, will have higher quality. Yeah, so the video quality on here shoots up to 2K. So that's good. I don't like these really boring basic camera apps, but it is what it is. Yeah. Now the camera's in the center of this tablet, so that means the orientation is meant to be held like this. But nonetheless, folks, wow. All those bubbles on that screen protector. Oh my God. This is a really nice tablet overall, man. I think it's going to be really sleek to use. It's got a little bit of weight to it, just so you know. This is a heavier tablet, so take note of that. But 2K display, 10,800 milliamp hour battery inside. Fairly priced, fairly decent for an Android tablet. It's not above 300 bucks if you're wondering. So it's like 280, and then you can find codes on it. Just at the link in the description, you'll be able to see what the current pricing is. But anyway, this is the R10 from Doogee. What do you think about this one?